Nvidia stock is back. This stock is up over 5% today. So we're going to be breaking down, should you invest and what's going on. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, new to the team, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's jump into this. All right. So this year, Nvidia was actually the best performing company in the S&P 500. So out of the top 500 companies in the United States, Nvidia was number one. The year-to-date return is over 230% in a single year. Now, on average, the S&P 500 gets about a 10% return. So this is beating the average of the S&P by 24 times, which is incredible. But on the flip side, anytime you see a stock go up that much, that quick, a lot of people, especially myself included, think, how much higher can this stock go before we get some massive sell-off? The issue is each time it hits new highs, it only continues to go up. Now, all stocks don't go up. There has to be a breaking point where this thing's sold off. But recently, we've seen a ton of buying pressure. Looking here, we've seen a fantastic earnings report. Their last earnings beating expectations, which is incredible. Their quarterly revenue doubled from earlier this year, which is great. On top of that, they gave a forecast indicating that sales could rise 170%. So obviously, anytime you have that announcement, you're going to have buying pressure. People want to find that next Tesla, that next Apple, that next Google, all those companies, those giants, those tech giants, people want to find the next. But the issue is Nvidia is approaching all these and they're all competitors with one another. Not to mention, guys, as of today, we saw a amazing partnership with Nvidia. Nvidia is going to be planning on working with Google, which is great. This is what they said. Google Cloud customers will have access to tech powered by Nvidia, which is fantastic. So anytime you have these two AI giants, these two tech giants, you're going to have buying pressure when they partner. Everybody loves that. It's going to be a great thing. That both companies are going to do very well with it. And both of them are heavily invested into artificial intelligence, which is rated the best sector to invest in. Now, the average analyst is giving artificial intelligence growth at 37% per year for the next 10 years. So if Nvidia and Google can pick up some of that growth, obviously that's going to be a great thing. But now let's talk about, should you buy this stock? So like I said, anytime a stock is up this much, especially in such a short amount of time, you're going to get sell-off. So for me, each time the stock goes up and up and up, I always get a little nervous just because I know sell-off is coming. You know, not necessarily a crash, but more along the lines of like a correction. Just because a stock doesn't always go up, there has to be a breaking point where it sells off. So for me, I think a good strategy is dollar cost averaging, investing consistently rather than a lump of money all up front, you know, because you could be buying in at all-time highs, which you pretty much are. Not to mention, right now represents a great time to start dollar cost averaging, because if we do get that sell-off, averaging down that price, so once the stock recovers, you make a lot more money because your average cost is so low. But guys, Nvidia is a growth stock. It's volatile, it's risky, it goes up and down at rapid rates. So for me, I have Nvidia. I'm going to continue to invest. But if you're a new trader, a new investor, maybe in situations like this, it could be better to just sit on the sidelines and see what happens rather than dump a ton of money into it, or dollar cost average. Whatever you guys want to do, that's great. But guys, this is just my opinion. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.